All right, welcome back to Builds Not Projects. My name's Spencer. In today's video, we're working on the Honda Odyssey. Going to be going through upgrading front shocks and redesigning the upper mount, as well as removing engine and starting to remove everything to get this thing painted up. Got the engine out the other night. It actually came out of the frame fairly easily for never being out since I put it in the first time. So that was a big win. And then now we're going to be moving on to redoing this chain setup on this side a little bit. Going to be moving some rollers and stuff around to get this chain to where it's actually kind of the correct length. And then we'll go through and start finishing up welds that you can never get to before and start getting the frame cleaned up for paint. Alright, so finally got this left side chain figured out. Moved the idler down here, just kind of pivoted it up, and then so that way it just keeps that bottom chain from slapping around, which that one's the one that's got all the tension on it when you're under load, so it'll be better to just have it in a straight line. And running it this way, we gain a little better tooth contact around there as well, just because it's not such of a steep angle running down around the bottom. So should be better. I think that'll work. I already got that chain shortened up, so I'll be able to use the good O-ring chain again. So we'll tear all that back apart, finish welding some stuff up, and then start grinding all welds and everything on the frame, getting it ready to paint. So package came in the mail today. We got these Fox podium shocks off the front of a 03 Predator, Polaris Predator. So we're going to be redesigning the front spring mount on the top to accommodate the little bit longer shock. So we'll be mounting them out here roughly. So we'll be getting those taken off, tabs cut off, start building new brackets. So here's probably not a very approved method, but it worked really well for grinding out those shock mounts that were kind of in a crappy spot. So I put the, this is just a normal like abrasive disc. I put it on upside down since they're not directional. And then that way I was able to just kind of hold it in here and get up around through the curve really nice and easy without having to hold it upside down and then try to deal with the bottom end being in the way and everything. So made it a lot easier. That went pretty fast, and but probably not an approved method. thanks for watching this video, guys. Make sure you hit the like and subscribe button and stick around for the next couple videos coming out. We'll be going through getting this frame all cleaned up the rest of the way, get it painted, kind of go through and fix all the welds that needed fixed, as well as fix the transmission and the engine, get it all cleaned up again, probably put some new seals and stuff in it, maybe adjust valves, kind of just go through it while it's out and just get everything all cleaned up and put back together and ready for another rip.